Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can add e-commerce functionality to your WordPress website. So here you can see I have a WordPress website existing. So I want to add the e-commerce functionality to it. So let's see how we can do that. For that, first of all, we will have to go to the dashboard. So here in the dashboard, we will have to go to plugins and we will have to install a new plugin for e-commerce. Here we will write WooCommerce, which is the popular plugin for e-commerce in WordPress. So here we can click on install now, click on activate. Once it is installed, you will see the setup wizard, but if any issue occur, like in this case, we do not see the setup wizard. So in that case, we will go to the WooCommerce and here we can just go to the settings and we can manually set up these steps. So here you can select your country. Then here you will have to select what are your selling locations where you want to sell, and then you have to set up shipping locations. If you are going to set up digital products that do not require shipping, then you can disable this thing, otherwise just keep it enabled. And then default customer location, here you can select the default customer location by using geolocate or any other thing if you like, but we can just keep it default. And then there are taxes. If you want to enable the taxes, you can enable this. Then coupon codes that you can create from the marketing tab over here, you can create coupon and share with your customers if you want. And then here select the default currency for your account. In my case it will be US dollar, otherwise I can change easily. Now go to the top and go to the products. Then here are some more options. The important one is this product review that you can enable or disable. If you do not want the users to leave reviews on your website, then just uncheck mark this and click on save changes. And then you will have some other options that you can set up if you want. If you want to enable the stock management, like you want to add the number of items available for any product, then you can enable this, otherwise just disable that as well and click on save. Then there are some other settings for the downloadable products that you can set up only if you want to sell them. And then the important thing is the shipping that you need to set up, and you need to add the shipping methods. If you want different shipping rates for different regions, then you can create different shipping zones. Like here currently we have just one, but for other countries you can add different shipping zones. I just want to have only one, so I will go to that and I will click on edit, and here click on add shipping method and add the shipping method that you want to use for your website. I am just going to use free shipping because I will add the shipping cost and all of the expenses in my product price, which is the best thing and can be used to easily manage the things. Just select no requirement, click on create and save, and it's done as well. Then we have to go to payments, and here you will have to set up the payment method. Like if you want to set up PayPal, you can install this. Otherwise for card payments that are accepted via Stripe payment gateway, for that you can install this one. If you want to install any other payment gateway, then you can simply install its plugin, just like we have installed WooCommerce plugin. You can just go to plugins and install that plugin, and then it will start showing over here, and then you can easily set up that thing. After that, go to accounts and privacy, and here make sure this one is selected so user can place order without creating an account, which makes it easy for them to place order, and it will increase your conversion rates. And then we have the emails, where you can set up the emails. Like when someone will place an order on your website, then you will receive the email. So here make sure that your email is added, and here also add your email. And when you go to the settings and here you go to general, make sure that the administrator email is added in the general settings over here. After that, go to the site visibility, and here make sure it's live and not coming soon, so anyone can place order to your website. Once all of these settings are done, go to the products, go to all products, and here click on the product that you want to add. If you want to create a print on demand thing, then you can do that as well. If you want to create a digital product, then you can click on this one. If you want to create shippable product, then just select this one. For now I will add a digital product, and now I will select the image that I want to add, like the book cover that I want users to see and they can place order. So here is the book cover. I will just download that. Earlier I was doing that using Amazon, but now I'm just going to do that on my own website. This is the title, so I can copy. I will add the product name, the product description. I will add the description, the short description it shows above, so user will easily see that thing. I will show you later on once it's done. And then here we have the price. So this is gonna be the price, and make sure this is selected virtual and downloadable, so user will not need to enter the shipping details on the checkout, obviously, because it's a digital product. So I have downloaded the file that I want to give to the user when they purchase this product. Here we will have to enter the file name. So this is gonna be the file name and the URL. I will have to click on choose file, and here I will have to upload that. So here I have uploaded the book, and just select that and click on insert file URL. So now the users will be able to download this when they will purchase the product. After that, you can create the category if you want. So I will just create a category like books and click on add category. Now it's added, just select it and go to publish. Just click on it. After that, you will see this link. Just click on it to see the preview. Here you can see the title, price, and the short description is showing over here. The long description shows below, so I wanted to add the short description that is showing. You can see now we have to add the image as well because we just skipped that thing. So to add the image, we will go to the product image over here and we will select the image. So before uploading the image, just make sure it's compressed. So I will go to an image compressor so that the image will not slow down my website. I will upload the image over here, and let's download it now and go back to the product. And now let's upload the book cover. So here the image is uploaded. Let's select it. If you have more images, you can upload in the product gallery. Otherwise, just click on update. Now let's go back to the page. Click on refresh. Here you can see the image is showing. If you just want to make it smaller, like you want to optimize your image, you can create a Canva template of 1:1, and then you can create that so it will look better. After that, we will have to show the products on the menu so user can easily access them. So to add it in the menu, we will go to the dashboard, and here we will have to go to appearance and go to menus. Here we can add it. We can select this shop page and add. Click on save. Go back, click on refresh. So here you can see shop is now showing. When we will click on it, we will see the book, and user can easily open it and click on add to cart. After that, they will view the cart. We can also add the cart over here. For that, we will go to the header customization. From this theme, we can go to customize, and here we can add the cart icon in the header. Here we will have to go to the header, and here we have the header customizer. We will click on this plus button, and here we will see the cart item. You can add it. So once added, you can click on publish. Go back to the website, click on refresh. So as you can see, the cart is added as well, and the product we added to the cart is now showing. So user can click on checkout, and here you can see the user can add the billing information and place order, but we need to connect the PayPal or Stripe or any other payment gateway so user can make the payment and place the order. For that, we will have to go to the WooCommerce settings, and here is the PayPal and this is the Stripe. So we need to click on manage, and we can connect it to our PayPal. So that's it for the video. If you need any more details like on the design, on the functionality or anything, just let me know in the comment section so I will help you out. You can also contact me if you have any task of WordPress, Shopify or WooCommerce. So just contact me. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. So that's it for this video. See you next time.